Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have it on the screen. And right now we have to enter the settings, which are, as you can see, on this panel. If you cannot see them, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and find them somewhere here. You will be able to tap on them and drag them to this panel, of course, to have much faster access. So let's enter the settings, and now we have to tap on the languages. This is the list of all keyboard languages which we've got currently applied. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see, here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick something like Arabic or Assyrian. Let me pick Assyrian, and as you can see, sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So the simplest, just tap on the one you'd like to set. Here you've got the types of keyboard. In this language we've got only one, but sometimes you will have like 3, 4, 5 different options to choose from. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. Let's tap on done, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. So now you can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got two differences here. I did not unfortunately pay attention on it at the very first second of the video, but no worries, you will be able to see it later on also. So the first difference is the spacebar. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so right now English, and we've got new icon which is applied here, and it is a language key, a globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again, and again English. So that's quite a cool option. This is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now I can show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need like 2, 3 or 4 different languages added, depending how much you've chosen previously. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here from this tab all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon. Thanks to this we will be able to mark the language we would like to remove, and simply tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see from this level, we can also reorder the languages. It is in case that if you'd like to show totally another language as a default whenever you will open the keyboard, then that's why you can change the position. All right, so let me tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and let me get back to the keyboard to show you that it is in its very first state, starting in this in this recording, because we've got a spacebar which is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, which of course allows us to change the language, so we cannot do it right now. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.